Are these f-stop labs ND filters just as good as its competitors? Let's find out today. Stay tuned. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you're new here, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss a future video just like this. These are f-stop labs ND filters, and they are the cheapest of the three filters that I've recently reviewed. Coming in at a mere $64, this nets you 6 ND filters. You also get a set of polarizing filters as well. So included in the set of 6, you have an ND4, ND8, ND16, you have ND4PL, ND8PL, and ND16PL. Now this should be more than enough to shoot at almost any time of day and really help you get those shots that you're really looking for with keeping your shutter speed just double your frame rate. Now the build quality here is all pretty much standard. The lenses are made of all aluminum and there's just a little bit of discreet branding around the lip of the filter. The packaging is pretty much very generic. You probably won't see an f-stop labs name on here. Now I did get a set of both of these, and while I've only had time to really review the Mavic 2 Zoom, I gave both of these away on a stream I did on Monday night. So if you missed that, go ahead and congratulate the winners, Londonard and Richard C, for winning these filters. Guys, if these are a little bit late, that's because I was still working on this video. Sorry. So I've been testing these filters for well over a week, and I've done a lot of video shoots with them, and honestly I don't notice any loss in quality with these filters, and I think they look pretty good. But take a look at this footage and let me know what you think. So after watching that footage and going back and forth looking at my other ND filter reviews, it's becoming really apparent that spending more on ND filters doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get better quality. An ND filter can only do so much, and it's really up to the photographer to handle the rest. So as long as you understand the double frame rate and understand when you should use a PL and when you should use an ND filter, I think your footage will come out just fine. Honestly, if you're just a semi-professional or casual shooter, these should get the job done, and just having ND filters is a huge step in the right direction. I'll make sure I include links in the description below, but if you're really curious on how these stack up to the other filters I've already looked at, be sure to go back and take a look at the videos that I've previously done. I'll make sure to include links in the description for those videos as well, so you can make your final assessment. But I think that's going to do it for this video. All in all, I'm really happy with these filters. For $64, I don't think you can go wrong. And f-stop labs even has a cheaper set that only includes 3 filters. So you can even go cheaper if you don't want to spend $64. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked the video today, make sure you hit the like button. And if you didn't, that other button tends to work fine. And I will see you in the next one. Stay original.